Seemingly, it was only a short time ago when Roger Koenig recorded these scenes of Chicago area railroad action in the pre-Metra era, when each railroad, most of them now fallen flags, ran its own distinctive equipment. Join with us as we step back through the decades to again enjoy railroading in the 60s. The Wabash Bluebird heads west for St. Louis at Central Avenue in Oak Park in 1960. Another IC electric train enters the station. Wabash's westbound Bluebird rolls right along through Oak Lawn, Illinois. Baltimore and Ohio freight is southbound on the B&O Chicago Terminal in 1964. Beverly Junction is revisited in the fall of 1966. We find the Baltimore and Ohio's eastbound Capital Limited rounding the curve and slowing to move onto the Rock Island tracks. Kensington Junction on the Illinois Central Electric in 1966, as a southbound South Shore Line train pauses before it heads west to Indiana. IC electric trains stop and proceed in both directions at Kensington. With number 630 pushing, Roger rode the front cab control car on the suburban line, not the main line, northbound to LaSalle Street Station in Chicago. A number of southbound rush hour trains were met on the scenic suburban line, which literally runs through backyards in the Beverly neighborhood. Steam runs on the Grand Trunk Western again in 1968 at 99th Street in Evergreen Park. Reading Company T1 484 number 2102 does the honors on 2 southbound excursions. Here it comes. The locomotive pulled a canteen tank car of water behind the tender. The South Shore train heads over onto the IC to head east. Even as the long train of orange cars glides through the station, an IC electric train enters on the opposite side of the platform.